Hey there, want to create your own Disney poster for free? You're in the right place. We're going to make it super easy for you. Stick around and let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser and go to dream.ai. The link will be in the description. Here you can type what you want to generate. For example, let's make an Aquaman Disney poster. A movie poster by Disney Pixar. Spotting a superhero Aquaman fight octopus monster. The name of this movie is Ocean Hero and is spotted at the top of the poster, 3D animation render. You can copy-paste the prompt from the description. Now, click on the Create button and wait a little. Once the image is generated, click the Download button to save it to your computer. And there you have it, your very own Disney Pixar AI poster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. All the links mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on AI tools, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.